On today's episode, how to create a beautiful accordion design using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This design is special, and the reason is because in some of the tabs we have a video, and in some of the tab we have a button, and also in some of the tab again we have both video, button and some text inside of them. So this is not a regular design. I searched YouTube for a content like this several times and I couldn't get any, so I decided to make mine and teach you guys how it's been done. Alright, as you can see, this design is responsive, and this right here is the mobile version. If I should exit out of the responsive mode on this browser, as you can see, the PC version is also perfectly laid out. So we're going to be seeing how to do this in a minute. Please, if you like this video, kindly hit that like button. It helps me a lot. And also, if there is something that you feel I should add, please kindly comment it down in the section below. And if you're not subscribed yet, I would like to get you to subscribe to this channel. We upload content like this every single time. Alright, with that being said, let's jump right into it. I already have my index.html, style.css and main.js files open up in my VS Code, and I'm going to be setting some HTML basic structures. In there, I'm going to be linking the style.css and the main.js. Also, there is an icon we're going to be making use of, and for that, we'll be using the box icons. So I'll be linking that as well. Once we are done with HTML, we'll move to CSS for the basic styling, and also we'll link our Montserrat fonts gotten from Google. Now it's time to start the Accordion UI properly. We are going to set the UI structure in HTML and then style it later using CSS.
Invincible.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Once we are done with the first tab in HTML, we have to copy and paste it a couple more times. In my case, I did it 3 times because I want it to be 4 in total. And then once that is done, we don't need the video in all the tabs. So what I'm going to do is to open up the tab and see the one that will need the video and the one that we don't. So I'm going to edit that. And also for the other 3 tabs aside the first one, we're going to add a button to each and every one of them.
Lately I've been high. I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been high.
Since we are happy with the HTML structure, we are going to move to the style the CSS so we can style the accordion the way we want it to look like.
Lately I've been high.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my cup and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away.
Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please I need you to hit that like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe because we do things like this every single time.
I'm brushing away for you, the way for you, the way for you. Don't need a no man. Don't need a no man. Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my cup and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man.
give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You live a high life, limousines through your fantasies. I never knew it, but you were my lifeline. You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Before moving to JavaScript, let's create some media queries so this design can fit in on all devices and in all screen size.
Adventure.
Now that we are done beautifying this UI design in HTML, it is time to move to JavaScript so we can make it function really well. Now that we are able to make this thing open up once we click on it, it is time to figure out a way to close other tabs when one tab is open, and then close the same tab when it's clicked on the second time. Now we've officially achieved the main goal of this tutorial. As you can see, once any of the tab is open, the other tab closes up immediately, and this is working perfectly well. But there are still some things that we need to do, like changing the plus icon to a minus when it's active, and also making a fixed background for the particular tab that is open, and then to also increase the font weight on the active question tab as well. So that is what we're going to be doing right now, and that's why we added the class of Accordion Open earlier in JavaScript. So let's see how we're going to run that.
Invincible.
Changing the plus button to a minus is actually somehow tricky, and I figured out earlier that most of these second or third party icons like font awesome, box icons and the likes, they make use of the before pseudo element, and they use like the content, they put the icon in the content with a code. So once I discovered that, I had to inspect the plus icon and then get the value, and also inspect the minus icon and also get the value. So that is why I was able to do this using only CSS without using any JavaScript at all.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
So I made a mistake in the class, supposed to be question-icon, not accordion.icon. That is why it wasn't working earlier.
Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. So done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need no man.
So here's the final version of this design, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be leaving the link to download the source code in the description below, and also you can see the link to my GitHub profile when you click on the last link of this accordion tab, and that is what I'm doing right now, as you can see.
go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken.
In case you're wondering why I added target blank, it's just so we could open up the link in a different tab on our browser whenever it's being clicked on.
On a new adventure.
Alright, so we finally come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please consider hitting that like button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. We upload content like this every single time. And please, most of the people watching my videos are not subscribed. So please, more than 80% of you guys are not subscribed. So please kindly subscribe if you enjoy the content that you see on this video. Thank you so much. Peace.